Hello everyone, welcome to the final part 5 of Java tutorial on how to make Snake. We're just going to be touching off, just a final polish, really. And we're going to add in two things. Two is we're going to add a way to restart the game if we die. And two, we're going to be adding a way to go through the screen, so to speak. So, first off, let's start with the easiest one. We'll just say else if code is equal to key event dot vk /s, like that. We're going to say vertical equals false, speed equals 0, because remember we're resetting. I'm going to say snake 0, 0 is equal to 0, and the same with this. Oops, did that at the wrong one. And we're going to say score is now set back to 1, not 0, 1. What else? Yes, we're going to say apple x is equal to the random with the width, and apple y is also going to equal to the random of the height. And I believe if we press change that to R, if we R meaning for restart, if we go now, everything should be good. We shouldn't have any issues. So let me just go and eat this apple. If I can get it. Yep. And now let's just hurry up and die. So we died, and we probably should probably do that. We should probably say game over equals true. So this is a bit of long code. In fact, we could make a method out of this, but for now we just won't. Since this is just a tutorial, I won't really bother with it, but it is good practice to do. So now we did that, and if I do this, I don't die. That's a little weird. Now if I go down here, you have die with score of 4, and it's still doing that. That's because I set it to the wrong thing. Oh, just press debug again. So it's game over, and now, as you can see, it's working again. Hell yeah. Okay, so we don't want to be able to move left and right. But let's change, let's make it so that we can go through walls, yeah? Because I feel like that's interesting. It's not particularly hard to do either. All we have to do is, I'm thinking of just where to place it. Basically, what we do, we pretty much get this exact code. We go to snake logic. I'm just going to put it here. But instead of this, we're going to say snake of 0, 0 is equal to snake 0, 0 plus the width by the module of width. So what does this symbol mean? This just means this is basically just the remainder. So if this whole expression was 2 and this was 3, then the remainder would be 2. If this was 3 and this was 3, then the remainder would be 0. Because 3 goes into 3 once, and there is no remainder left. And now we just do the same thing, really. I'll just probably just copy and paste this. So just do that. Change the width to height. Ooh. Not very bright at the moment. So now, if we run it, we should see our little guy just pop up on the other end of the screen. Hey, there he is. Hello. Hello. Boom. I feel like he's sort of teleporting a bit, isn't he? Yeah, he is. Maybe it is before. So we'll just do it from here. And it's over there. That's a long way. Nope, he's still doing it. In fact, he's doing it by 2, I think now. I'm sorry, I'm just having like a little fun here. In fact, he is. That's an interesting bug. I wonder what I'm doing wrong there. I feel like it was better before, to be honest. Like this. That's interesting. Okay, so how are we going for time? We've got 8 minutes. Right, so what was that other thing I wanted to add? Yep, so... Now then, we can like change this and code is equal to A and score is equal to 1. No, maybe it'll be an OR. Score is equal to 1. Nope, this is an AND. This is definitely an AND. But inside here is an OR. And as long as score is equal to 1, or as long as the speed is, as long as vertical is true, and I feel like that should work. Because if it's false, that won't run. And if that's true, and we'll just say not true, and that should work, hopefully. So yep, I can still do that. Let me just pop on over to the other side, honey. And yep, now I'm pressing D and it's not letting me go backwards. But I can do all the other directions just fine. I just cannot go backwards. And that I think that would conclude the tutorial. I've still got one bug left to fix, but I don't feel like that's a big deal. You could just expand, hide the grid and just move the spawners. There are multiple ways of dealing with that. But thank you guys for watching and watching this tutorial of me coding Snake. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope most importantly you learned something about it. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!